appreciate each other, who cherish their legacy and history. In the midst of all this crisis, what is happening in our state, especially our community are in the forefront facing some of the challenging tasks. I may not be wrong if I say that we are passing through a crossroad. Tan sui na kram lo thau to mai ka di lo ni pitong the na mai goi na mi te pai na dai na thon pu the gang lo mai goi jeng jeng ni gang na mi ni na dong phong the mana sai to ani goi sun si jeng si na ni san lu the ani goi ZELIANGRONG mai na ra mai kho pa lo mai kho among kwan si ani goi tau na mun ta ani goi jati ti tho ko pom mong no pi jeng khoi na ani goi tan ni mai loi na mai goi ha ani goi tan thui lo te ti tho thon dau kagan sana sulau tu mi te thon no bu jen khona hai subam tong de anyway sagian suna how enjoyment
and felicitate our candidates.
One more round. Side again, side again. See, round kan ada ni.
round kan ada ni
Memento ni. Kita nak.
mình phải introduce memento
Cháu với đi rồi, memento thì mày gần của ta ai cũng đã đi rồi. Cái lưỡi đi giáo đâu nó mới gọi là lưỡi thái đâu mới đi sụp thế. MCS. Katang kau pretty pa mai MPS. Pretty pa mai MPS. Mới gọi cái bậc pa đái nó đi lâu quá. Katang kau singan ray guan mai MPS. Chân cứ thế katang kau kau ngâm liang riam mai MPS. Chân cứ thế katang kau kan pat lung gang mai. Katang kau machun luliu new mai MPS. Katang Khao Din Sui Bao Moita, MPS. Abel, SDC. That was all for the felicitation.
Hey, sabi ano to? May gawin kumbo ko. May gawin na ginagawa ko ito. Nagtahan ay puwari na luka na. Sulaw niya. Kaya dong. Suy na yan kay kagan hay takan he. Zeliangrong chapan quay mình lật bật thơ. Ở bên căn đi hay đi trái thao đi khô. Ta quý cái mi đâm ZELIANGRONG mi đâm vui lắm đâm thâu tăng tiếng áo tai rực gặp quán du đây lần để áo vui gây vui cung bụi thì khăn sao nào thằng ta thì khâu họ như quay luôn đến bụng tan cả qua sự này khô này khiêm cái mặt của khâu để làm đôi cánh đi hay đi trái theo đi khô ta quý cái mi đó ZELIANGRONG mi đó thì cũng qua đến lúc khâu và biết cái bay muốn cũng nó thoáng bao khoan em nó vui đắm đắm khâu đây là để áo vui cái vui cùng đây là để áo vui cái vui cùng linh tế lòng ZELIANGRONG là quý cái mi đông ZELIANGRONG mi đông thì cũng qua đến lúc khâu và linh cái mây muôn cúc đó linh tế lòng ZELIANGRONG
Pastor Timothy Palme, Inaugural Baptist Church, to kindly come and lead us in the blessing hour.
With all respect, I would like to draw the attention of all the dignitaries, all the dear actors for the welfare of the ZELIANGRONG people today, especially the successful candidates who are sitting before us, for whom we have been giving this felicitation. I'd like just to remind what I have already mentioned. Psalm number 75, verse 6 and 7. The promotion cometh neither from the east, nor from the west, nor from the north, but God, who is the judge, He put it down one and set it up another.
Performance by Sister Thân Truy Liu Gang Mai. Pi Thân Truy Liu na magandang magunglaro mo ito.
Every achievement, every success, people go in a high walk arena, walk to me to my hat new way, move lorry call to my salon, to me. Now, Lurin of Messiah, hey, Kai Paul, and South Yan High, Casing Chaptang Dagam, okay, new. Panti nice and Chap Nabam Sini, Gangan Satang Dagam, okay, to the Messiah. Me go in high walk. một cõi bầu nắng giáo diên rơi tình bị thui dài lâu vắng mê nắng dày lại nắng cùng bạc cây lâu mây ắt ta diên lắng thâu rồi nắng rong diên ta chắc sao phù khâu cả xin cho tăng đất ngắm má ắt vẫn thì nai san ra đau vong si tangan sa tăng đạt mà khê chân ca rung bố quăng yêu đi tao yêu bố ăn lung tao đi na bên yêu a tu su đua khai lần nè a lung pi sung khai lần nè na lung sa tu chắc khai vô ga và riêng chắc tăng lần ngắm lá a ring ding bom then ding diu bom đi mà mình lần ding ngắm mà ghê but adds color and joy to this memorable occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, success becomes more meaningful when accompanied by words of wisdom and encouragement. Now we shall hear few words from our esteemed leaders. First, may I
of your seniors, but never succumb to wrong advice wherever you are when performing your duties. Number 2, never forget where you belong. You will grow in position, but you start from a place and you will end again in the place where you started. That is your community. Kadamay dasu nang kadai digi hawlo nang kanano namana pa kanano hatsi sukao ko. I wish all of you all the best, and I'm sure you will be creating more and more successful history in your career and make us more proud as you start your duty while after joining your service. Ako'y ZELIANGRONG mayam adugo Naga peoples egi wakanama Tanzania. Hꯧzik matam se chawkhalaba matam ni. Ako'y larik laisu heidraba matam ni. Larik laisu tambase ako'y wakan aktu anangay ni.
liang men no mai pui men to program zum ja ai no mai khat sun ja thang ka sa ni thai sai ko me to te me thai ne se le no me pui community ha tai no historic su me te me ke amo ko so hong su mai ka fa su mai ne no no me le so lo kan thai ke to me to historic so me pui me ko ai ni at khat su leader ka thei do la le ko ne hon se ko me to gan to me ha dai ni ma ko ni ko bam no bam ma ka le ngong pui to kai pau su mai ka pau ro ko ko ni ye ko ma sai han jian mai ko no na mai wa sa MCS khác MPS rốc MCS khác hình như là sát còn khả sang diện này nhiều cái tổng vài bằng có cái mà cô liệu tổ honorable chairman area committee khán đi cả cái quy cái này đi thu cũng lòng nhé mấy cái tại cái công việc tổng boss lòng đó ZELIANGRONG mới giàu lòng không cái công việc tổng mong hang lòng đó nhiều boss lòng mình hay lòng những sinh đó nó ngày cái đi chúng ta thu cũng lòng là respect lòng nhé mà mong
Thank you, sister. For that beautiful presentation. Katang dat kay damay sunataw kay ani dong senior officer kay kanggagang hay tilodani. Po Norbert Disinang, retired IS, Government of Manipur, Marinila kasi kay mga you dong may matime ko share sa mga kanggagang tilo.
I thank Almighty God for enabling us to gather here and have this function despite the terrible rain that we had experienced. Thanks to the host, Mr. and Mrs. Dipu.
I will try to uplift your people, those who deserve, for whom you have taken an oath of service. You'll be taking an oath, your oath to the Constitution, to maintain law and order.
First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving us such a wonderful privilege to come together as one. as one community. Secondly, I would like to thank our Honorable Sir Dipu for inviting me to be in this program. Brother Title, way back in 1994, we broke the record. UPSC Civil Service Exam ZELIANGRONG 1994 pa rin. Brother Title, Guy na, Lucas Campson, and myself. And you, hey, I don't know. I may be wrong, but so far community UPSC clear and it looks similar with the other part of the tree that is growing up. Root system are similar with the fruit system. It is very interesting to see the nature of the tree. There are two things for the tree to grow. That is, both have gravitrophic and phototrophic.
Originally from Tarangong village, Kaupung, and my mother's name is Kamswan from Inaugural village. I did my primary education till 7th standard in Xavier School, Awangkul, and from then on I moved to Don Bosco High School till my matriculation, and from then on I moved to Commerce School for 11 and 12, and then I did my graduation from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kanpat Lung Gangmei, son of Dai Thorai Gangmei and Nampa Liu from Kangchigot village. I did my high school from United Builder School, Tamenglong. Thereafter, I studied my higher secondary from St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School in Shillong. And then I went on to pursue my graduation from St. Stephen College, Delhi. And thereafter, I have been pursuing to clear civil service. And prior to this, I was working as an assistant manager in Canara Bank in Tamenglong branch. And I'm very happy to be here. And due to time constraint, I'll end with this. Thank you so much.
I'll keep it very short, so I'll skip the formalities. We are deeply, deeply honored by the love shown by our Honorable MLA, HAC Chairman, Sri Dingang Lunggang Mai, and our Honorable MLAs who have already left, our distinguished officers, serving and retired, our pastor, my friends and family, and everyone who've gathered here to celebrate our success. It feels like our sacrifices and midnight oil burned is worth the while. My journey has been nothing but smooth. It had a lot of up and downs. But like the pastor said, I owe it all to Almighty God. My parents sat in front here. My father, who had an unwavering faith in me. My mother, who prayed unceasingly. My beautiful wife seated at the back. Lydia, you are requested to stand up. This is Lydia. And to introduce myself, my name is Kaungam Liang Riamai. I previously worked as a sub-deputy collector also in the 2016 MPSC batch. I see here many officers who I worked with. My seniors and superiors are all seated here. But I must mention in particular one officer who has immensely guided me. I was fortunate enough to grow up with Sir Kazaigai Gyangmei as my uncle. He shaped my desire to join the services immensely. And to my senior officers, it is my request that you keep guiding us with your valuable advice, and we will keep looking up to you. You have set standards for us to emulate, and some bars very high that we might not be able to cross. With that, I end my speech. ZELIANGRONG, Ring Telo.
Good evening, one and all. I will try to keep it short. I am Dinsui Moita. I am from the village of Taron. I'm the son of Kai Liang Moita and late Tagyang Yun Moita. The journey so far has been full of ups and downs, no doubt. And this acknowledgement from all of our community leaders as well as our well-wishers, it fills us with deep gratitude and joy. And also, I do not want to repeat what others have said. So just taking time out for younger people here, the aspirants who are here, who are looking up to us also. I would say, as the program here says, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream. The starting point is to have that dream and to believe that you can do it. Have the aspiration, the determination. You are the future now. And as you proceed forward also, trials, difficulties will come. No doubt, do not doubt about that. But do not make that the full stop of your life. Persevere, work hard, and you will also be able to achieve what you set out for. Words of gratitude for all our leaders, for our seniors, for our respected and honorable invitees, and everyone here. Words of gratitude and thanks also to the Almighty God, for by His goodness, by His unwavering faithfulness, we stand here to celebrate together as well. And I believe this is also a sign of the cohesion and solidarity of our community. In the times to move forward as well, I hope we are able to gather together in such manner. Praise be to God.
Myself, my name is Inaugural. I am originally from Dalong village, son of Mr. R.H. Gonmei and Gadung Liu. And I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to the host and the program committee of this felicitation today, and also all the well-wishers present here. Thank you for all your support and guidance, and also I wish to see this kind of support system throughout our journey, and I wish that, to all the achievers today here, that they may have a bright, meaningful future. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bell. First of all, I'd like to say that I have a cold fit speaking in front of such esteemed guests. I've never done such or make such speech before. And at the very outset, I'd like to thank God the Almighty for giving us, for blessing us with this beautiful day. And also I'd like to thank the organizer, ZELIANGRONG Civil Society Organizations, our host, Honorable HAC's Chairman, Sir D. Gangwei, and also everyone present here. My name is Kamei Abdel, and I completed my high school from Catholic School, Kanchipur. And after that, I did my class 11 and 12 from St. Anthony's Higher Secondary. And thereafter, I completed my bachelor's and master's degree from DU. I have faced many hurdles, not able to make it to the final list in many exams, but this time, fortunately, by God's grace, I was able to make it. And that's all. Thank you.
It's nice to see you all here. My name is Priti Pambay. My parents' name is Mr. Dinimong Pambay, and my mother's name is Liu Pambay. And I am the eldest daughter in my family. I did my school in Tiny Road Senior School in Impal, my 11-12 in Harvard School, and I pursued my graduation in Delhi University, Sahid Bhagat Singh College, and since then I've been preparing for my civil service exam, and by the grace of God I have been through this time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Machun Liu Nyume and I'm from Tamil. My parents are Adipo Nyume and Kenta Nyume. First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving us this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank our respected dignitaries, our most respected seniors. To be facilitated in such an honorable way is a dream that most of us never thought we would be able to achieve. Like my friend said, our journey has never been easy, it's always been ups and downs. But then today makes me think that it was all worth the while. And like our honorable and gracious host, Sir D. Gangwei said, and our honorable MLA, Uncle Awambo said, we would strive our best to keep our identity as a ZELIANGRONG, a Naga, and is deep-seated in our culture and community. Thank you all so much, and God bless us all.
And in our community, and also as a Naga as a whole. As we gather here in celebration, let us also post in reflection and solidarity, honoring their memories and offering our heartfelt prayers to the departed souls, and also to give strength to the bereaved families. To lead us in this solemn observation, I would like to invite Sir Sri Gaigwangdin Panmay, IAS retired, to kindly lead us the gathering.
Difficult times for say
officers, out of which 6 are police officers. 6 plus myself, 7. I'm not so young. A new may gai mai in a service by Menun, a new deal, so let's see bumpy say I thank the Honorable Chairman, HAC, Khani Akaina Hana, for hosting this program, for bringing us together. I wish God's blessings upon this family in the times to come. Program tung leaflet ko zau kai the khap liang me ko the 4 p.m. to lawe 4 p.m. te ho hian na kan the ko ma ta ho 5 p.m. ki hian si to bang the hay 4 p.m. này hello mai ni valid subang khong den ninge. Thank you again, Chairman Sir and Akaina Hannah. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Successful candidates by giving a big round of applause. And also may you all pave the way for greater success and also progress in our ZELIANGRONG community. And thank you everyone, to all our dignitaries, to all our honored guests, and each and everyone present here for making this
Thank you. Enough for the